The universe has always carried secrets beyond imagination. For thousands of years, humanity has gazed upward, trying to decipher the patterns of the stars. And yet, each time science advances, the cosmos responds with an even greater riddle, as if reminding us how little we truly understand. Now, the most advanced space observatory ever built has uncovered something that may be the strangest discovery of all. The James Webb Space Telescope, stationed more than 1.5 million kilometers from Earth at a stable gravitational point in space, was designed to peer deeper into the universe than any telescope before it. Its massive gold-coated mirrors and infrared instruments allow it to detect the faintest traces of light from the earliest galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. But instead of only answering long-standing questions, Webb has begun raising new ones that challenge the very foundation of cosmology itself. Recent observations hint at a phenomenon so unexpected that it has left astronomers stunned. Entire regions of the sky, once filled with stars, now appear empty. According to reports, light from hundreds of trillions of stars that had previously been catalogued, measured, and analyzed has simply vanished. These were not faint, borderline detections that could be dismissed as errors. Their spectra were studied. Their existence was recorded. And now, it's as if they were erased from the universe. No fading glow. No exploding supernovae. No black hole emissions. Nothing. Just silence and absence. The scientific community is scrambling for answers. Several possibilities have been put forward, each stranger than the last. One explanation is that the stars still exist, but something is hiding them from view, perhaps a type of cosmic dust unknown to us, or a stage of stellar dimming that has never been observed. Another theory suggests that some stars may collapse directly into black holes, skipping the explosive supernova stage we expect. If true, this would rewrite decades of astrophysical models. But there is also a darker and more unsettling idea: the possibility that the universe itself is undergoing a fundamental transformation. That we are witnessing, in real time, a phase shift in the fabric of reality, one in which stars and galaxies do not simply fade, but vanish from existence in ways we cannot yet comprehend. To understand why this possibility is so haunting, we must revisit one of the most important discoveries in modern science: the expansion of the universe. For almost a century, astronomers have known that galaxies are not static, but moving away from us, carried by the stretching fabric of space itself. In the late 1990s, scientists discovered something even more shocking: the expansion is accelerating, as though some invisible energy is pushing galaxies apart faster and faster. This mysterious force, known as dark energy, is thought to make up nearly 70% of the cosmos. Another 27% is composed of dark matter, invisible material detectable only through its gravity. Ordinary matter, stars, planets, humans, everything we see, accounts for less than 5%. In other words, almost everything in the universe is made of something we do not yet understand. The James Webb Space Telescope has allowed astronomers to measure cosmic expansion with extraordinary precision. And what they have found is sobering. Every single second, between 20,000 and 60,000 stars slip beyond our cosmic horizon. Their past light continues to reach us, the light that left them millions or billions of years ago, but from this moment onward, any new light they emit will never reach Earth. This means that the universe is not only expanding, it is erasing our ability to see it. Already, more than 90% of galaxies are unreachable, too far away for their light to ever reach us, even if we could travel at the speed of light. The observable universe may stretch 93 billion light-years across, but only a shrinking fraction remains within our grasp. Slowly but relentlessly, we are becoming marooned on an island of light surrounded by an infinite ocean of darkness. The implications are staggering. From a scientific standpoint, this forces us to reconsider our understanding of cosmic history and cosmic destiny. From a philosophical standpoint, it confronts us with the fleeting nature of our moment in time. We are living in a rare window when the deep universe is still visible. Future civilizations may not have this privilege. Billions of years from now, the stars of distant galaxies will have faded beyond reach, and the universe will appear far emptier than it does today. Could the vanishing of stars that Webb has detected be connected to the accelerating expansion of the universe? This question lies at the heart of one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time. We know that galaxies are not only moving away from us, they are doing so faster and faster, carried outward by the strange force we call dark energy. If that force is reshaping space on a scale far greater than we once imagined, then perhaps what Webb is witnessing is not disappearance in the ordinary sense, but separation, stars and galaxies being pulled beyond the limits of visibility, slipping behind a horizon we can never cross. But then comes the unsettling possibility. What if it's not only expansion at work? What if this phenomenon is pointing us toward a hidden law of physics, something so fundamental yet so elusive that it has remained invisible until now? A law that governs the creation and erasure of matter itself, a rule of the universe we are only beginning to glimpse. And beyond even that, there is a more provocative idea. The thought that what Webb has revealed may not be entirely natural at all. Some scientists and thinkers have speculated about civilizations so advanced they could manipulate energy on unimaginable scales, harnessing the power of stars, galaxies, perhaps even the fabric of space itself. To us, such a civilization would appear almost godlike. To them, cloaking an entire region of the sky, or harvesting stars for energy, might be nothing more than technology. Could the voids Webb has uncovered be the fingerprints of such activity? For now, these remain only possibilities. But the mere fact that we are forced to consider them shows how blurred the line has become between science and imagination. Webb has pushed that boundary closer than ever before. One truth, however, is undeniable. The universe is not still. It is alive. It is shifting. It is in constant transformation. And our moment to witness it is brief. If humanity hopes to look beyond the Milky Way, to reach the Andromeda Galaxy, or the smaller companions bound within our local group, we must act within this fleeting cosmic window. Every passing second sees more and more of the universe slip beyond our reach. What is visible to us today will not remain visible forever. The stars we gaze upon tonight may be the final glimpse humanity ever has of those distant corners. The light we see is ancient, sent on its journey billions of years ago. But the stars that shine now, in this moment, are already too far away for their light to ever arrive. The cosmos is slowly erasing itself from our view, second by second. And yet, within this sobering truth lies something profound. A sense of urgency. A call to action. A reminder that discovery itself is a fleeting gift. Because even as the night sky grows darker, our search for understanding remains the light that endures. It is curiosity that pushes us forward, that drives us to build telescopes, to launch probes, to cross the oceans of knowledge and peer into the unknown. Perhaps, by unlocking the mystery of the vanished stars, we may uncover more than answers about galaxies or expansion. We may uncover the true destiny of the universe, and the role humanity plays within it. We stand at a crossroads of time and space, staring into a universe that is fading from view. But as long as we continue to question, to imagine, and to explore, the cosmos will never truly leave us. Because in every vanished star lies not just a warning, but an invitation.